Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from TD Bank to SoFi in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, paying off loans, or just managing your finances more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up at both TD Bank and SoFi. You'll need your login details for both, and it's a good idea to verify that your SoFi account is linked or ready for external transfers. In 2025, most banks have upgraded their apps for faster, more secure transactions, so updates might be key here. Step 1. Log into your TD Bank account through their mobile app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for an option that says External Transfer or Add External Account. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to add your SoFi account as a recipient. Enter your SoFi account details, like the routing and account numbers, which you can find in your SoFi app under Account Settings. TD Bank might ask for verification, so be prepared to confirm via email or text. It only takes a minute. Now, for the transfer itself, select the amount you want to move, choose your funding source, your TD Bank account, and pick SoFi as the destination. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. In 2025, you might see new features like instant transfers or biometric security, so keep an eye out for those options. Once you've reviewed and confirmed, hit Submit. Transfers via ACH typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with SoFi's partnerships, it could be faster. Keep track of your transaction status in both apps to ensure everything goes smoothly. And that's it, you've successfully transferred money from TD Bank to SoFi. Remember, always monitor for any fees. TD Bank might charge for outgoing transfers, so check their latest policies. If you run into issues, reach out to customer support from either bank. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.